Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G, and I'll show you that the device comes with the charger brick inside the box. So let's just first open the box. This is our smartphone here. And let's just check this box, this paper box, and unfortunately we just have not here any just charger brick. That's why if you want to use the charger brick with your Samsung Galaxy device, you should buy the adapter separately. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.